Hey guys, Josh from Voyages of Agape here again. This time we're in Tahiti and we're partnering with Xantrex to bring you this unboxing video. Today we have their 100 watt foldable portable panel. We're really excited about this guy. It's about 50% lighter than other 100 watt panels and 25% the size. It's going to give us power wherever we're at. It's a small suitcase sized solar panel that you can easily hook up with alligator clips, ring terminals, or directly into any SAE pre-wired RV. So this guy is going to be easy to plug in, set up for your RV, motorhome, boat, camping, wherever you're going to need power on demand. This is your choice. So we're going to open it up, see what's inside and what the panel really looks like. Let's check it out. All right, so first impressions out of the box. It feels pretty heavy duty. I already see the mounting grommet so you can tie it down. And it looks beautiful. All right guys, this is it, fresh out of the box. As you can see, it's about the size of a small suitcase. It really doesn't weigh anything, maybe 5 pounds. Everything you need is in this little side pouch. You have alligator clips to go directly to the battery, ring terminals, your 10 amp charge controller, and you even have an owner's guide and instruction manual. So let's open this guy up and see what it looks like. So they've done a great job with this, making it as easy to set up as possible. On the back of your charge controller, they have 3M adhesive tape, or you can permanently mount it with 4 mounting screws. With the Velcro, done. It has SAE connectors from the back of the panel straight to the charge controller, and then the same SAE connector, and you can choose to connect it to your battery either with the alligator clips straight to the terminals or with the ring terminals. They made it quick and easy. You can set this up probably in about 5 minutes and disassemble it and pack it up the same. So let's go ahead and put this all away. I'm excited to get this panel out to the boat and try it out. Make sure to watch our next video where we show you how we use this portable panel on board Agape.